Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to uninstall apps from your Oculus Quest and the Oculus Go as well. To be fair, you could use it on that as well, with applications that you put on side loaded them through some sort of ADB, which is the Android Development Bridge, or something like Sidequest, which basically handles all of that. I've got videos covering both methods. I recommend the Sidequest method for installing because it's so much easier. Once I discovered that method, I stopped using the other method. And we're going to be using Sidequest to uninstall, but it will uninstall regardless of how you've installed a side loaded application. Because usually if you have a application installed on your Oculus Quest, you can just go into your library, just select the three dots menu button and uninstall it, and it's no longer installed. You can't actually do that for side loaded apps, unfortunately, at least not yet that I know of. If there's a solution that you maybe can install something else, then let me know, that'd be great. But as far as I'm aware, you need to connect it to your computer. Okay, so now I'm just going to put my headset on and show you an application that's on there and basically show you the one we're going to be uninstalling. So, it's asking me to set up the Guardian. I'll just confirm it, that's fine. And if I go to, I want to record video. Okay, so video should be recording now, so you should now see my Oculus screen. So remember I was saying, you would just normally go to library, and if I wanted to uninstall this official app, I would just do that. But for the unknown sources applications, so we're gonna uninstall Quest. There's no three dots here, so to uninstall that, so let me stop recording this. Okay, so I'll stop recording on my Oculus. Now what we're going to do is launch up Sidequest. If you don't have Sidequest installed, don't worry, I've got videos covering how to install that on Windows, Mac and Linux. Though I'm doing this on Mac, once you've got it installed, the process is exactly the same. So as you can see in the top left, it says not detected because we haven't connected it. So get a wire and plug it in. So I explained all of this in the Sidequest setup video, which I'll put a link in the description. But you basically want a USB Type-C to USB Type-A, most likely, because that's probably what you've got on your computer. The one that comes with the Oculus will not work, even if you have a USB Type-C port, just because it doesn't do data transfer, as far as I'm aware. Again, I could be mistaken about that, but I'm pretty sure that is the case. So you'll need a third party one. Anchor is what I recommend. So I've connected it. As you can see, it has detected it. Go to the top right, and where it says this 3x3 grid, currently installed apps, click that. It shows you all the apps that are installed. So we are going to uninstall Quest. Most of them that don't have something like com.dot or some sort of, which is a package name format, like First Contact. That is an official installation, most likely from the Oculus store on the device. And you can technically go to the settings here and uninstall it, but I recommend just uninstalling that through the regular process, unless there's a particular need. And so we're going to find Quest. There it is. So make sure we're on the right one. Click this cog button and it'll launch it up. It'll tell you what the application is, the actual package name, and there's a few options. So you can manage the permissions, you can back up the game data, you can back up the APK. So just in case you're afraid that you can't get hold of the APK anymore, maybe it gets taken down or you want this particular version, and then you can open up a backup as well. Okay, so from here, obviously you can launch it, force close it, clear app data, but this is the button we're interested in. Uninstall app. It says all tasks completed. It's very quick. If the app's a little bit bigger, it might take a little bit longer, but it is overall very, very quick. And now that is literally it. So I'm going to unplug the headset, and this should go red. I'm going to close this down. Yes. Put the headset back on. And now let's go to record video. Okay, so we should be recording. Still says Quest there, so let's go. As you can see, it has now disappeared. It was because I was still on the menu. That list hadn't updated, but it wanted to let me launch it anyway because it wasn't there. And as you can see, Quest is now gone. So it's that simple. I'm going to stop recording on the Quest now. Okay, so stop recording. It is that simple to uninstall apps on your Oculus Quest that have been side-loaded using Sidequest or using some other third-party method. So if you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.